Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add VPN on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this or your settings here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. You click here on VPN and device management here. You come to next step here, then you click here on VPN here, just click on it. So then here add, you click here on add VPN configuration, and here add type, then here description and server here, then remote ID and here local ID. So user authentication, then username and password, then it's going to add with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, so when you down click here on down here, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.